Responded yet?
Yeah, she was standing up there. Look, and she kept reaching the tissue, and I said, no. And she looked at me like, I can't have no tissue.
You thinking?
Yes. Give me some kiss. You're determined, aren't you? What, you got the leg? Mama 3?
Oh. Mama 3?
What, you got the leg, Mama 3?
Only we would get that. It's true, it does. It's like your great Mama 3.
Great. Watch it. Here she comes. Come on.
Where's your leg, Leilani?
Where's your leg? You ain't got one leg.
No
Where's
clue.
your leg?
She just grins.
Oh, you lost it in the war. I'm sorry. Was it a gunshot wound?
Tuberculosis.
Yeah.
Tuberculosis.
Was it a gunshot wound? No. Okay. Well, Daddy did it. Okay. Daddy took your leg. Daddy took it. That.
Daddy did that.
Daddy did that. Oh, that's a lot of body. Oh, here you go. There you go. There it is. There's your leg.
She looks cute.
Get your hands off me.